Isn't it strange that a bear can go 5 straight months without eating, drinking, or going to the bathroom even once? Every fall, bears enter a state called hibernation, but it's nothing like ordinary sleep at all. In the weeks before winter, a bear can eat up to 20,000 calories a day, packing on fat reserves as thick as 4 inches. Once they settle into their den, their heart rate drops from around 50 beats per minute to as low as 8 or 9. Their body temperature only falls slightly, staying warm enough to wake quickly if a threat shows up nearby. Here's the part that stunned researchers for decades. Bears don't lose muscle mass during this time, even without moving for months. Scientists studying black bears found their bodies recycle waste products internally, turning toxic urea back into usable protein. That process alone could help doctors treat kidney disease and muscle-wasting conditions in humans someday. A pregnant bear will even give birth during hibernation, nursing her cubs while still in this deep, fat-fueled sleep. So while we're bundled up fighting winter with blankets and hot coffee, bears already solved survival millions of years ago. No food required.